Robux gift card redeem, how to use Robux gift card. Now, whether it is a Robux gift card or a Roblox gift card, it doesn't matter. As long as you have a gift card that is related with Roblox, you can always redeem them from their website. Now, you can simply first of all open your browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Click on three lines option located at the top left hand side, and from there, from the bottom left, you can see the option called gift cards. So simply go there. Once you go to the gift card option, this is normally a page to shop for a gift card, but we want to redeem it. So just click on the redeem card option from the top right hand side. Once you click on the redeem card button from the top right hand side, over here it will take you to roblox.com/redeem page. So this is the URL. You can also choose to come directly. Here you simply want to enter any type of promo code or Robux codes or Roblox gift card codes that you might have, and then just click the redeem button to redeem it. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.